Deborah Long is the founder of Chloe's Creek, a small waterfowl rescue in Mount Joy. She was called in to handle 45 ducks that fell from the back of a truck 10 days ago.
Well, at first I was like, no, I can't do that. Really, honestly, because, it's a lot. But then I thought, you know what? I could probably just, temporarily put them in a fenced area or something and try to find them homes.
The ducks were found crammed into cages after they fell off the back of a truck on Route 322. Now only 7 males and 1 female remains from the abandoned group. And Deborah is hoping they, and maybe a few others, will soon be adopted.
Just need to have some kind of, either have a pond or be able to have a kiddie pool, like a kiddie pool, and know that you're going to have to dump it every day and wash it out. And a predator-proof pen for at night.
In the meantime, Deborah will continue to care for every stray duck, goose, or swan that finds its way into her life.
I got some ducklings, and I just fell in love with them. The one duckling had like some kind of deformity of its heart, and she died. Her name was Chloe, and I don't know, it just started my love of ducks, and I just started taking in ducks that needed homes.
In Mount Joy, I'm Peter Taraborelli, News 11.